Hey guys, how you doing? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, coming to you here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I have a quick question for you today. Would you like to know the two top affiliate programs that I recommend to everybody? The two top affiliate programs that I recommend to everybody. I'm going to share that with you. Before I do, just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit subscribe. Also, to your right, there's a little bell there. Hit that bell so that you can get all of the latest up-to-date videos that I put out as soon as they come out. So, here we go. So, I titled this video today, my two top affiliate programs to earn money online. And there's really two that I recommend. Everything else is just everything else. But these are the two. The first one, as you can see here on the screen, is Myleadsystempro. And Myleadsystempro, as it says here, MLSP is the world's first trusted since 2008 to help attract fresh leads daily, get sales insights, and grow your business by leveraging the power of the internet. MLSP is just a great system for those that may be looking to build their business online, whether it be in network marketing, direct sales, or if they just want to earn funds from the affiliate marketing. It's a great platform to actually do that. The training is second to none. You learn all the latest and greatest tips and tricks and marketing strategies to help you build whatever business that you want to. And also, the thing too about it is it's also a great affiliate program. So it helps you earn commissions. There's a great community. There's help and support. There's a Facebook group to help you along the way. There's just a great community. So you'll love that. There's a great community as well. So MLSP, one of my top affiliate programs I recommend for 2018 beyond, even before that, even after that. Just a great community. The second top affiliate program that I recommend, anybody asking, how can I make money online? These are the two that I recommend. The second one is the Super Affiliate Network. Great affiliate program. It is more sort of a high tier program, meaning you're going to get paid commissions of $1,000, $3,000, $5,000. It is possible to do that with this. What I love about this is that they have also a great community, great support. There's a coach assigned to you if you're new to walk you through the steps. Just a really great community as well that's on Facebook to help you, guide you along the way. And plus, both of these, MLSP and of course Super Affiliate Network, make it possible for the new person, the person that's never done affiliate marketing, to actually get results. Get results, whether it be in the form of exposure of their business, and get results in the form of money or income. So that's it. This is a short video today, but I really want to just kind of give you my two top affiliate programs that you can actually earn money online. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to click the little bell if you haven't, and also subscribe to get all of my videos as they become available. God bless you, and I'll see you guys soon. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. God bless you guys. Peace.